Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Enhanced Tracking Protection in Firefox. This feature blocks trackers, cookies, and harmful content to protect your privacy. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Firefox browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Step 4. At the top, look for the section that says Enhanced Tracking Protection. Step 5. You can choose Standard, Strict, or Custom, depending on how much protection you want. The strict option has a stronger protection, but it may cause some sites or content to break. For the custom option, you can choose which trackers and strips to block depending on your preferences. But for the sake of this video, we're going to stick with the standard option, which is already checked off right here. Step 6. Once selected, Enhanced Tracking Protection is now turned on, and that's how you turn on Enhanced Tracking Protection in Firefox. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and see you in the next one.